I will now explain you how to connect a Facebook page to Journalist AI. So every time an article is published to your website, it is also shared on your Facebook page. And to do this, we come here to the social media tab and we will click here on create new social media, right? We click it, we will give it a name. Let me give you example Facebook, okay? And on the type of social media, we will select Facebook as well. It's the default, okay? So after that, we will need to connect it and authorize our Facebook for this. Okay, so we click here and it will take us to Facebook where we input our password, Facebook, right? And we will click in authorize, okay? Proceed, authorize, just give the permissions, all right? And your Facebook will now be connected, okay? So the next step, you need to select which Facebook page, you might have more than one, which Facebook page do you want connected and syndicated to Journalist AI. In this case, I have 4 pages here. I will select this one as an example, okay? And finally, we can syndicate it to an integration. And I mean, if I choose, for example, my WordPress integration, every time I publish an article to my WordPress through Journalist AI, it will also be shared on my Facebook page. Okay, so this is what it means. And finally, we just need to set up the share frequency limit. So let's say you want to publish, you are publishing right now 100 articles at the same time. You might not want those 100 articles shared on your Facebook page because it will be a massive list of articles, right? So you can set up a limit, okay, and you can set it to up to 1 post every day, every week, every 6 hours, or every 3 hours, right? So after choosing it, let's say you want 1 article shared every day and it will be the last one published to the WordPress. We click here, we set it up to every day, and we create the social media, right? So now every time you publish an article to your WordPress site, it will also be shared on the specified Facebook page.